Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share my experience sewing a baby dress for my 1-year-old niece. But since she's bigger than her age, so I use a pattern for 2 to 3-year-old. We're going to make the top. Just fold the fabric and trace the pattern, then cut it in about 1 cm increments. I don't use zipper or button for the dress, so I just make the neck hole a bigger and wider a little bit. For the front side, I make the lower basic and cut it. I use Rayon fabric because it's super soft and absorbs wet, but it's very thin, so I make double layers. Do it again for the inner layer. I pin the cut patterned fabric before cut to make it faster. So I join the patterned fabric and the inner for the front side and let the good fabrics meet and pin it. And I do the same for the back side. Meet the good fabrics and pin it. I changed the bobbin with the white thread.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
the good fabrics. Machine, we can set the length back to 3 again. Have to join the front and the back side. I'm gonna turn the inside of the dress out and straighten the seams. Set the portable sewing machine into the C mode and length into 2 and sew along the seams just to make it stronger and tidier inside.